guys, so when I was in Toronto, I bought the IOPE Cushions, the XP version, and this is N31. So I bought it from, if you live in Toronto, north of Finch and Steeles is a supermarket called Seasons, and it's in a shopping center. I don't really remember the exact name of the shopping center, but you'll see Seasons Supermarket, and it's an Asian shopping center. And inside on the second floor, they have an Amore shop. And Amore Pacific is the company that makes IOPE, Laniege, and other brands. Inside, they actually have Mammon, Laneige, IOPE, and a few other brands, but those are the main three that they have in there. And I actually went in wanting to buy the Laneige pore control version, but instead the lady was like, no, this one is better for you. You should get the IOPE one. It sells every 4 seconds, yada yada. Then there was also the N31. There's N23 and 21 and 31, and maybe there's even a lighter version. So this is the darkest color, is the 31, but they have N31 and C31. C is supposed to stand for cover and is supposed to stand for natural, but she told me that both are the same. And she originally was trying to sell me on the N23, but when I tried it, I thought it was kind of light for my skin tone. And she was like, no, but it's supposed to brighten or whatever. And I know, and I usually use foundations that are lighter. But I really thought that that was kind of too light, and I didn't want to look ghostly. So I got the N31, the darkest shade instead, and it's a very good match for my skin tone. But I'm going to show you the unboxing, and I'll talk to you more about it after that. And this is N31. It's supposed to be natural, and it's the darkest shade. It's called Warm Beige. So I thought that that's what fit me best, even though the sales clerk thought it was the lighter one, the 23 instead. And she said that the N or the C, the natural or the cover, had the same amount of coverage actually. So, because I was going for the cover, and then she told me to get this. So this is what it looks like inside. So it was in the fridge, so that's why that's like humidity there on the mirror. Yeah, it comes with a refill. This is the refill. It's the Air Cushion XP N31 Warm Beige. So it's basically just another cartridge to put in here. Okay, this is what it looks like. Here's the cushion thing to put on your face. And so now I'm just going to pull back this sticker here if I can. It's difficult. Okay. Okay, now it's ready to use. Okay, so I'm just going to put half of my face first, so maybe you could see the difference. I'm wearing some concealer around my eyes, and I'm wearing some lipstick, and Freyja wants to go out, but it's raining. Freyja really wants to go out. Okay, so that's the difference. It actually is my skin tone, so I'm actually pretty happy with the color. The staff was suggesting that I get both colors actually, so that I could like use this as the base and then highlight with the lighter one, which is the N23. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It's on half my face. It is quite natural looking, but I do think it's medium coverage. Okay, I'm going to put it all over. So in real life, it looks very different now than what I look like before wearing makeup. And so I don't know if that shows through the camera, but yeah, it does offer medium and you can definitely build it up to full coverage. The finish is also very shiny and dewy looking. So if I want it to kind of last longer, I often have been putting powder over it, but I have gone days where I didn't put powder over it, and so other reviewers were saying that it streaked, like when they touched it or something, that it left a mark, but I haven't found that to be the case. So if I touch my face or whatever, it doesn't leave a mark, but it definitely does feel like something's on my face, and sometimes I feel like maybe it's a bit sticky, and so for that reason I just like to put some powder over it and that does mattify it, but if you just put a little or like a little bit of loose powder, I think it'll help the makeup to stay on better, to set, and to last throughout the entire day. And for me, it has lasted throughout the entire day, keeping in mind that I have dry skin, so I'm not sure if you'll have that same long-lasting effect if you have oily skin.
Anyways, I'm going to put some powder on and you can see what it looks like after that. That's half done.
And that's done. And so Enrico's been telling me that he really likes how it looks, how this foundation looks on me, and so does Enrico's mother. I don't know if they're, good people to rely on because they're not really into makeup or anything, but they've been saying that my foundation looks really nice, or that my skin looks really nice when I'm wearing this. So yeah, that's something to consider. I myself really do like it, and I find that it definitely works for me and my dry skin type, and so I haven't really felt any downsides to it except for the sticky feeling, which is easily fixed by putting some powder over, and maybe it creases kind of more easily in the fine lines and stuff, but again, when you put powder over, and that helps that problem a lot. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with this foundation. I'm glad I got it. I'm glad I got it in N31 because I think that the N23 could have been a bit too light for me. I'm not sure that the C or the N really makes much of a difference. According to the sales lady, it doesn't. They both have basically the same amount of coverage, but the N does look a bit more natural on. I haven't had the chance to try the coverage version, so I would say C31 instead of N31 as the color, and so I'm not really sure exactly what the difference is if it's not like they say online that C stands for cover and N stands for natural. So the natural one has been serving me well, and I do like foundations that have a very high amount of coverage because I do have scars and things, but I find that this N31 really covers my problems but looks natural, and I do like how it makes my skin look, so I'm pretty happy with it actually. I haven't tried the Laniege version, but maybe in the future I'll try that. With the case that you get with IOPE or Laniege, for the refills you can use either or in the same compact, so the Laniege refills will fit into this compact, so if I want in the future I can just switch out the refills. Also, the sales lady at that shop was really nice, and with that she gave me some free samples with the IOPE. So she gave me this IOPE Plant Stem Cell Skin Perfection Special gift set, and this is awesome. Also, I put this inside. She also gave me the Laneige Water Sleeping Pack EX. So actually in this IOPE Plant Stem Cell Skin Perfection gift set, it has the cream. This is the Plant Stem Cell Skin Perfecting Cream, and she gave this to me because I told her that my age, actually I told her my age, and she says, oh, okay, you need this anti-aging one. So Plant Stem Cell Skin Softener as well, and the emulsion, plant stem cell emulsion. So yeah, she said that this is for anti-aging skin, and she gave that to me, and I haven't tried it yet, but I'm really excited to try that. I just think the lady there is really nice, and she gave me a lot of stuff. So the Ideal Cleansing Foam, 3 of those from IOPE as well. And she gave me some products from Laniege, the Water Bank Eye Gel Cream, as well as the Essence. So some samples of those as well. Yeah, so if you like this video, please click like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye!